marking the end of 2024, which means it is time for a New Year reset. I'm honestly super excited. Like, I have never been so excited for like a new year in my life. Like 2025 is just good energy all around. I'm just feeling good vibes for 2025. So I have never been more excited to close out a year and start a new year in my life. So I personally cannot wait. So for our 2025 reset, we are of course deep cleaning. We need to take down all the Christmas decor. I know, kind of sad, but not really because I'm actually excited. We're gonna take down all the Christmas decor, deep clean everything. I also want to like do those like little cleaning, like tedious cleaning things, like cleaning my hairbrushes, makeup brushes, claw clips. I want to like reset my whole like bathroom and shower. So we're gonna do that. We're gonna do a lot of deep cleaning and resetting our space. And then we're gonna make our vision board, of course, for 2025. I already made a physical copy at vision board night, but we're gonna make a, you know, computer black screen one. And then we're just gonna goal set. We're gonna manifest. We're gonna write out all of our goals for 2025, our fitness goals, our habits, our wellness goals, our reading goals, our spiritual goals, all of the goals, physical, mental, spiritual. We're gonna write them all out. We're gonna manifest them, and tonight's actually the new moon. So if you're watching this, now is a very, very powerful time to set your intentions for the new year and write out all of your goals for 2025. So yeah, I also want to do some like self-care while we journal and plan for the new year. So yeah, let's start by getting this place cleaned up. I literally cannot like do any journaling or meditating or manifesting unless my space is clean and organized. So let's start there. Okay, before we start cleaning though, I'm gonna make a matcha so I can have a little drink and some energy. I just got this new matcha making kit from Amazon for my birthday, so I'm super excited to use it for the first time. So we're gonna make a matcha and then we're gonna start cleaning. Got the Frenchies vanilla, cashmere vanilla linen spray for Christmas. I'm gonna use it for the first time. Wait, ASMR. Also, am I in focus? Okay, I can't tell if I'm in focus or not, but review of the Frenchies cashmere vanilla linen spray, 10 out of 10. Highly recommend. Okay, it is time to take the tree down. Very sad. Okay, I finished cleaning the right side of the bedroom. I'll show you guys really quick. Very clean, very demure. I still have to vacuum and put my full body mirror and my floor plant in that corner. But we have the right side of my room cleaned, and then we have the left side. So I think I'm gonna clean, you know, my vanity area and the left side of my bedroom off camera. I won't bore you guys with that. I already put away all my Christmas decorations. I just need to put them downstairs in storage. So yeah, all that's left is to clean this embarrassing mess I just showed you guys, and then vacuum and put my mirror and plant back. Okay guys, we are back. I finished deep cleaning my whole entire space. I'll insert some after footage for you guys right now. But yeah, so the cleaning our external environment part is complete. Sorry to bore you guys with that, but now we're on to the fun part of the video. Planning our New Year's goals, setting intentions for the new year, writing out goals, habits, and all that fun stuff. So also, I know at the beginning of the video I mentioned I was gonna do all those like tedious cleaning things, like clean my makeup brushes and my hair brushes. And I decided I'm going to do that in YouTube short form. So I'm gonna do that in the short format. So if you guys are interested in like cleaning or resetting or organization content, make sure you subscribe because I will be posting all of those in YouTube Shorts. So yeah, but like I said, our environment is clean and now it's time to reset our body, our mind, and our energy, our spirit. And I'm like super excited. I was like rushing cleaning so I could get to the fun part. So as for resetting our physical body, I am going to be making a physical glow up for 2025 where I'll be doing like my hair, my lashes, eyebrows, spray tan, and like all the, you know, like maintenance, self-care, beauty stuff. So I'm going to be making a separate video all about like a physical 2025 glow up. So in today's video, I'm just going to be doing some like at-home self-care, my like normal nighttime self-care routine and skincare routine, and then I'm going to be doing like a mask and like eye patches. So that's the plan for self-care. And then for New Year's goal setting and intention setting and for resetting our mind and our energy, I'm going to plan for 2025. So I'm going to use Notion. I'm going to plan my schedule, my new morning and night routines, my new work routines, make a new weekly and monthly schedule, make a reading list, and do all like my planning for the year. And then I'm gonna do goal setting, intention setting, and manifesting. I'm gonna write down all of my goals, everything I'm manifesting and calling in the new year. And then I already did this, but I highly recommend doing subconscious reprogramming. It's basically where you like write down a new belief system or like set of beliefs that you wish to have or that your higher self has, that your dream self has, and you just basically write down a new set of beliefs in the form of affirmations or just I am statements or I believe statements, and you just like read them off every morning and every night. I did mine in 3 sections. I did faith-based beliefs, self-concept beliefs, and world beliefs. So my beliefs in faith, my beliefs about myself and who I am, and my beliefs about the world around me. So like I said, I already did that during the winter solstice, but I definitely recommend doing that. It's been a real game changer, and you know, what you believe, what you think is what you get in your 3D reality. So subconscious reprogramming, I highly recommend doing for your new year intention setting, goal setting, and planning. But yeah, so that's kind of a rundown of everything I'm doing for my inner work to get my mind and spirit reset for the new year. So let's go start with some self-care. For 2025 and write out our New Year's goals and intentions. I'm so excited. time to make our 2025 vision board. I'm gonna make mine on Canva and make it the dimensions of my laptop home screen. I also just made a physical vision board at our little vision board making girls night, so I want to show you guys that really quick. Can you see her? Is she in focus? She's cute. I really love like having a physical copy. I just printed out photos at CVS and like got a poster board and we just, you know, cut and glue them on. But I love, oh, she's coming apart. But I just love having like a physical vision board to look at. I'm also really excited to make one on Canva because I couldn't fit all the photos I wanted on the physical version, so I'm excited to make a digital one on Canva. So yeah, let's get to vision board making. Okay guys, that wraps up my 2025 reset vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you made it this far into the video, comment down below. 2025 is going to be my best year yet. I'm genuinely so excited for 2025. I feel the best energy. I genuinely think this is going to be the best year of my lifetime so far. I feel that 2025 is going to go down in history for a positive reason. I'm just feeling the best, most positive, revolutionary, transformative, historic energy in 2025. So I truly believe it's going to be the collective's best year yet. So yeah, if any of your guys' New Year goals for 2025 is to live a healthy lifestyle, prioritize wellness, self-care, productivity, and all those things, then subscribe to my YouTube channel because I will be posting many long-form videos into the new year all about productive routines, self-care, wellness, and all things like that. I love you guys, and I will see you in my next video in 2025. Bye!